Hi everybody, this is Laney and welcome back to How Laney Lives. You all see my hair? I can't go get it done. We're under the stay at home order. My hair needs to be clipped. I may have to do it myself. Well, at any rate, yes girl, I'm going to do a collab with the grandbaby. What is your name? Do you have a channel? Do you have a channel?
Yes.
What's the name of your channel?
My name of the channel is Princess Yazzie.
Yes. Okay. So I will leave her information in the description box just in case you guys have grandkids or children that are interested in Princess Yazzie. All right. So in this video, we will be getting ready for, yes guys, look at these pastel colors. What are we getting ready for? We're getting ready for?
We're getting ready for Easter.
That's right, we're getting ready for Easter. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Every year I seem to put a tablecloth on the table, but this year I'm going to do something a little bit different. I think I'm going to put just the runner. Oh, I'm glad I opened this. Here are my Easter napkins.
That's pretty. That's pretty.
Oh, thank you, my love. Thank you.
She always says thank you.
She always said what?
She always says thank you.
So you're going to help me? I think we did have this one last year.
Yeah,
I thought this
did.
was so pretty.
This
I
is
like
so
the,
pretty.
Yes, I like the colors.
I like the colors of my yellow.
Mm-hmm. Okay, and now we're gonna put.
It's pretty.
Okay,
That's
here.
pretty.
There you go, my love. Moving right along. How y'all doing today? Everybody doing all right?
Yes.
Y'all getting ready for Easter for the kids? I know you can't go out to the stores, but guess what? I got stuff that I got last year after Easter and stuff that I got before the stay home order. Hope you guys are only going out to get what you need, like groceries, your medication, things like that, toiletries, and staying away from everything else. Something scratched me and something or another. We're moving right along here. Alright. So we have a box full of stuff.
Yeah, that's full of stuff. Let's open it.
Good job, baby girl. Oh my, where do
Whoa.
we begin? Oh,
Ooh, let's start with this.
okay.
Yeah,
Let's
let's start
take them out. And
with
how many do we have? These are what? Candles?
We're gonna take the
I think we just take that paper off. We're gonna leave the rest of the stuff in there. Oh, this is what I got for at home after Easter.
carrot.
Yeah, I love you a whole bunch. Yeah, and what else do we have here from
Ooh, and we also have
you guys, I got this from Ross, my favorite store. Look how much it costs.
and my favorite
49
Papa
cents.
got me a bunny bunch.
49 cents.
There's
Ross is my
bunny.
store. Ross is my store. Yes, it is. Yes,
And
it
we
is.
have a bunny.
Yeah, we have a bunny. And this, I'm going to put this on the
Put that right there. I love bunnies.
on the front
Ooh, we
porch.
have another bunny.
Don't worry, yeah, one is missing. I know
Ooh,
the egg is missing.
this is cool.
The egg is missing.
It's going that way.
But bam! I'm gonna put this. You all won't see it in this video, but I'm going to put this on the outside. Yes. This is a wreath with the eggs on it.
I didn't
I think that it is so nice.
I thought you were supposed to be helping grandmother.
Well,
She was getting the stuff out of the
here we have these shiny go.
Oh, I love those. Those are from last year.
Yeah, I love these eggs.
I love those.
Oh, I found another egg. And I
So-
found another egg.
Where did I get my stuff
Got
from?
my other eggs.
Your other eggs. This one is going in the kitchen. This one is also going in the kitchen. So I'm gonna just take this in the kitchen and I'll be right back. Oh, and then again, I don't know. I lied. No.
Oh yeah, that's where we put our
I'm not
bunny,
sure.
The last thing.
So, what else do we have in here, baby girl?
Let's see what we have here.
I know this one is going on the kitchen.
Oh, I found another egg.
This one is going on
That's
in the
another
kitchen.
egg.
At home, a lot of stuff. This stuff was like $2 and $3 from at home. Actually, I got these earlier this year. This is cute. This is so cute. Salt and pepper shakers for Easter, just for Easter. Isn't that nice? I think it's nice. That is so nice. Let's see what else we have. I don't know what all I got in here. Oh, I have different ones. I have these and these.
Oh, that's mine.
Oh, look. What color is that?
Yellow, my favorite color because the egg is pink.
What do I have here? Oh, little plates.
Oh, look.
Isn't that beautiful?
Oh, that was
What is
just-
that?
That's for all my friends.
Yeah, green, purple, pink, and blue.
I wish it had yellow.
Yeah. Well, they didn't have yellow. I'm sorry.
That's
I'm
okay.
sorry.
That's
Okay.
okay, Godmother.
And
Ooh,
I love
my
these.
favorite.
These are so nice. I thought they were so nice.
Ooh, this is
I think I paid.
and little.
Yeah, I know I got them from Ross. I paid
guys-
$6 for these. I really like them. They are really nice.
And
So-
guys, look, I have these bunnies. They're so
Right
cute
along.
because they have these things on it, and they have a mushroom.
Those also came from at home, $2, $3 at home. This year, you know, typically we have an Easter egg hunt where we invite a lot of the family members over and friends over to the house, and we do like an Easter egg hunt.
There you go.
Is it called an Easter egg hunt or an Easter egg? What is it called? Is it a hunt?
Wow.
I feel like it's something else. But anywho, this year we're gonna do something a little bit different. Princess Yazzie and I are gonna make Easter baskets
Oh.
for each table. Instead of putting the plates out,
Oh.
we're gonna do just a small, Easter basket. Put some of the eggs in the basket. So that's what we are about to do now. Take them out. Take them out. We're gonna have to take it out of the plate.
Yeah, baby.
Put paper in them,
Baby. Don't touch it.
just like you would stuff, just like the Easter basket. Slowly take your time, baby. Take your time, sweetheart. You got it? Push it down. Push it. I want you to push it down. Good job. Here, take this one and push it down as well. Push it down. Good job, my baby girl. Oh, I have such a good helper. Oh, my baby helps her grandmother so much. How's it coming over there, baby girl?
Good.
Good. Okay. So now,
Pretty good.
all righty, we're gonna do our grass.
Ooh.
Easter
that's
grass.
Grass,
Yep.
grass is for outside.
But this is Easter grass.
Yeah,
So-
that's the Easter grass.
I'm glad this is not too messy.
Yeah, unless it's
Messy enough. Push it down a little bit. Okay, so now
I
we're
got
gonna
my empty eggs. I got my empty eggs. I got
we're
my.
gonna put some eggs in the basket.
Ooh, yes! Yes!
Put those eggs. I think that's 6. Is that 6?
Okay, let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4,
Okay, put
Yep,
one.
my eggs are 6.
Okay, put an egg in each basket.
Yay, now we put these eggs.
Yep, put one in each basket.
Okay. Oh, how about we can put it around the bunny?
Okay, well that's a good idea, baby girl.
Yeah, we can put it around the bunny.
Mhm.
Make it nice.
Keep my basket, my container.
We had this the last time.
We sure did have that last year. I made 4. I have 4 of these. I got them from the Dollar Tree.
I want to do it.
Okay.
Just gonna be careful.
Okay. Just have to be careful. Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
These things are gonna share. This gonna share. This
Okay, put one of them because we have 4 of these.
Okay.
Put one in each candle holder.
Okay. Now it's all of it.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah,
Here.
yeah.
Put one in here.
Okay. Oh, we have another one?
Yeah, there. And one more down there at the end. Yazzie,
Huh?
where are the you know, the eggs that we put in here last year, remember?
Oh, yeah, I remember.
So we have to
remember
find them
Gently.
gently.
Ooh, that's
Yeah.
my favorite color. It's like when you do, yeah.
Okay, what colors do we have? Let's see, what color is this?
Purple, blue, yellow,
Green.
green,
Oh, here you go. Pink
pink,
and orange.
orange. I thought you was putting purple.
Purple one is down there at the end. That was the first one. Purple was the first one. Look,
Oh,
the first one was purple.
oh!
Okay, moving right along.
I was guessing with the purple was the last one because I thought she was gonna put the purple
Oh.
into the pink.
Oh, we're gonna do candy.
Oh, candy, my favorite, favorite.
We're gonna do jelly beans. Yay!
Yay,
Jelly beans
that's
for
my
Easter.
favorite.
Wait, no.
And we're gonna put each one around
That's right. You know how to do it.
and then put it here.
Take it and put it at each table. I mean,
Oh, no.
each chair. I said each table.
Oh no! Where did it go? Where did it go?
Did you find it?
No,
Oh, I see it. I'll get it. I see it.
go away. Where about these peach trees?
I'm gonna have to open up some more.
Mama. You eating some?
You eating some? Come out of there. Come on out of there. Okay, there you go. Put one in each plate, baby.
Because our table looks beautiful.
What happened to the jelly beans?
You're so silly.
What happened? Oh, ate them back fast. Okay. And one.
Somebody I ate it like a monster.
Okay, put one right here, love.
Okay.
That's it for the table for right now. Look, baby. My baby picked this out. We're gonna put it on the coffee bar. I like it for Easter. I'm gonna take this one down. I think that is just so pretty.
Look, something's in it.
Put them in the basket. We'll open them.
Tomorrow.
Like maybe not tomorrow, but we will open them. Okay?
Okay.
And we're not gonna eat all this crap either. That's it. So that's all. That's all, folks. Okay, baby. Come on and put these,
Eggs?
yeah, put the eggs in the, I don't think that one fit. I think that's it. You can't put the last one in, I don't think.
Yeah, it won't fit.
It won't fit. Okay.
It will fit. Just those two fit.
Okay.
But where are you going to put this egg?
We'll find some place to put it in just a minute. I thought this was just so beautiful. I'm gonna
I know! Ta-da!
Oh, ta-da! Good job, baby. Good job. Here, baby. Put this one in the middle on
Spinner.
the spinner. Girl, you are so smart.
I'm spinning around you. This bunny said I want. The bunny said I want to spin around.
Oh, that's what the bunny said.
Uh-huh.
Put this one on the side and put that other one on the other side. I don't think that bunny said that, but okay.
I want you to spin with me.
Right there. Like I said, guys, this is for the baby. We're not going to do a tablescape. It is a tablescape, but it's an Easter basket tablescape for the baby. Yeah, I think it turned out. I think it turned out all right. Me myself. It's for her, and it's what she wanted, and she got what she wanted.
What you call them?
So now I'm going to go finishing. I'm almost done in the kitchen. I just have a little bit more to do. So I'm just gonna go in the kitchen for a minute. Remember I showed you guys this that came from Ross. It was 49 cents. I'm gonna take the plain one down and just hook that one up. Oh, I think that is so nice. I may leave that up for a while. I think I will. Yeah, I think I'm gonna leave it up for a while. So I got everything done in the kitchen here, as far as Easter goes. I think we're set here. I think we're set for Easter, and I even got a tray of carrots. That's the grandbaby's cup there. A tray. Oh, one thing I have to do is put some jelly beans in here, and then I'll be done. All right, you all. You know I love my lights. I couldn't go to Dollar Tree to get my lights. The only thing that's missing are the lights. So you all be well, stay safe, and stay in peace, not pieces. Hit that bell so you'll know every time I come out with a new video.